Alright, so I'm gonna show you how you can make an AI assistant that can contact your old leads in less than 15 minutes. Let's go into the actual video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create a new contact. I already made one. Make sure that the email and phone number are not empty. I delete them for now so I don't have to blur everything. And also make sure that the lead response has something like yes, for example, and everything else is empty. I'm gonna share a snapshot with you so you won't have to build everything. Okay, once you have that, you go to automations and you search for webhook, test webhook. Then if you don't have a Zapier, just make one. Go to create and we're gonna make a new Zap. And then as a trigger, we're gonna select webhook. Trigger event should be catch. Go to next. This one you can leave empty. Now we're gonna copy the test URL and we're gonna paste it here. Don't forget to save and then choose the contact that you made. Okay. And as you can see, it's here already. Again. So we choose ChatGPT. Then we find the... Okay, so we choose ChatGPT. Then we go to OpenAI. Go to dashboard. API keys. And make a new one. I'm gonna call it like that just for the video. Then we're gonna connect it. It's a good idea to name the account in a different way so you can understand which is which. Then from action event, we're gonna choose conversation. Click continue. We're gonna use, for example, 4O mini. And here, we're gonna search for lead response. The memory key should be the email. Username should be first name. And here you're gonna paste the instructions. Let me find some instructions. I'm also gonna provide you that in the description, so don't worry. The system name you can call it however you want. For example, I'm gonna call it Vast right now. Everything else you can leave as it is. Okay, let's check the response. Okay, that's the reply. Okay, almost there. Now we need to add gohighlevel, which in Zapier is called lead connector. Choose an event, which is update contact. Choose an account. I have a bunch, but I'm gonna add a new one so you can see. Pretty much go back to GHL. go to settings, business profile, scroll down a bit, and then if that's your first time connecting GHL to anything, you're not gonna have that, but you're gonna have a button something like generate API key or something like that. Then you're gonna copy it because I already have it. Okay, let's connect it, give it the right name again. And here we want to leave almost everything empty except the email address. Market lead should be false. And then ChatGPT is the content that we receive from OpenAI, which is here, reply. Okay, so we are done with Zapier. Okay, so it's vast from the future. I forgot to mention that you need to change some custom values when you get the snapshot. So you need to change the first outgoing message to whatever you want, and the webhook here. Also, when you go to the automation, then you would need to change the bomb message to whatever you want, and then you need to change, you need to change the last message to whatever your bomb message was here. You need to change the bomb message and the update message, so here, this one, to whatever the bomb message is. Then you need to change the second bomb message to whatever suits your industry, and then we do the same right here. So we change the last message in this step to whatever the bomb message 2 is. Okay, so let's test it. We're gonna add it to a conversation starter. Let's wait a bit. Okay, now we have our first message, and I'm gonna go to our other account and type a response. So let's say, yes, I'm still looking. Let's say if I make a mistake, it's going to recognize it. And now we can check if there is something happening in the backend in Zapier. Nothing yet. Okay, there is something. Okay, so this is the response that we received, which is, thank goodness my calendar just pinged me to call you, but I didn't want to disturb you. Are you still looking for help? Let's say sure. And by the way, this response is custom, and you can change it to whatever you want. As you can see, we just received the response. Also, we can help you with that, and we'll beat any market price. Would you like to schedule a callback? Let's say yes. I'm free today at 2 p.m. Let's see what we're gonna get. And we just received the calendar. Actually, I need to remove the second one, but yeah, as you can see, the bot is pretty much working. So I'm actually really curious, what industry are you going to use it for? Comment below.